Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download the practice question of algorithm in Office Pro website and what are inside it. After you go to the officepro.com, then you go to the About menu and go to the Shop. The type of service that we want is actually a document, so I'm going to filter the results. And then here you see the algorithm practice problems. There are two updates in here, 2019, 2020, which I'm going to add it to the cart. And then there's also a 2021 up to this moment. I'm going to add these two to the cart. Then you see on the top, you have your items. And also in here, you can click on either one of them. Here is your card and you can go proceed to the checkout. I actually have a coupon that I can actually put in here. Feel free to put your name in here and then email address in here. If you already have login, that would be perfect. This would be already filled in for you. If not, it's also okay. You can apply as a guest and download the files. So here you see the terms and condition, and here you can actually place your order. When you place your order, the product will be emailed to you. In addition, the products will be shown in here. If you are enrolled, you can actually also see these results under your profile. But currently, since I'm not logged in, so I wouldn't be able to see that. But I can certainly see this in my email and also in this web page. So what you can do is that you can just simply click on this to download the first one and the second one. So if your file happens to be like this, what you need to do is that you can basically just drag them to some place, and then as it was explained in the website, in the chat, you can basically see the result that it explained how you can download from a PDF, Word, or zip. It actually explained you that you need to rename the file and add a .zip at the end, and then do the same for this one. So when you did that, I'm gonna double click on this one. So this is for 2019 and 2020. Here are the results in here. So different answers for different problems. And then also exams. Here it goes for 2020, the exams. And then 2020, we see the books with solutions. So here is the book for algorithm design. And then here is the solution for all of the chapters. For this one, you need to enter a password, which you can basically actually get them from the product page. In here, in the additional, it is mentioned that it is birds. So I'm going to click on that and paste it in here. So basically you can see the results of this one. So basically for all of the 13 chapters. This was for this product. Then we have the other one, which was for 2021. Here are the solutions for, and here are the exams. So the final exam, the midterm, add some final solutions in Word document. Hope that actually helps. Take care. Bye.